How to fix Instagram call not working. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily on Instagram how you can actually fix the call not working. So the thing is that the settings is not actually in the app. So let's jump out of here and jump into our phone settings. Now, once you're in your phone settings, we're going to go ahead and look for apps. And once you locate apps, you must know that it is different on every device, whether you're using an Android, a different version of Android, or you are using an iPhone. It'll all look very different. So just make sure that you're able to locate your apps in your settings. And there's two ways of finding your apps on Android. You can either go ahead and look for Instagram in this list of apps, or you can go over to the top right hand side. There's a search bar. You can actually search for it there. Now, once you've located it, there are a few things that you can actually do here. And the first thing I would recommend always, if you're having any errors or any issues, is going down to storage and opening storage. Now, once you're in storage, you're going to go ahead and you're going to clear the cache. Once you've cleared the cache, you can go out. And the second check that you can make is going up to permissions. Now, once you go into permissions, there are a few things that the Instagram app needs to make sure that it operates properly. So as you can see over here, there's a list of allowed and not allowed. The essential things that you need to help Instagram function properly is your camera, your microphone, and your photos and videos. This means that it can hear you, it can access your camera so you can take photographs, and then also if you're taking video, it'll be able to take video with sound. And then of course, if you need to upload media, your photos and videos, that is essential. Some of the other things over here you can use if you need to, but to fix the Instagram call not working, then the camera and the microphone, photos and videos, those are the three that you need to operate properly. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about Instagram, you can go ahead, leave it in the comment section. We'll be glad to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.